Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's dig in. Today's topic is maintenance of alliums, prairie garlic or prairie alliums. These plants are native to mostly North America, on the prairies, in the steppe in Asia, and of course in Hungary in the puszta. So whatever you call it, you have to make sure, if you have a chernozem soil, that they don't seed around, because I have a collection of these. If they seed around, I won't be able to tell which cultivar is which. So it's very simple. I just pull on the seed head and rake it off. And this cultivar was Bubble Bath. It's a lovely cultivar. And the second one is Senescence. And I only discard the flowers which are already bloomed. This one is Serendipity, and you can see that sometimes if I pull it, the whole stem comes up. So I should pull it just below the seed head, because the stem contains valuable nutrients for the plant, and it can pull these nutrients back to its base, rhizomateous base. Okay. This lovely little one is Sugar Melt. Of course, it's a fresh planting, so it will take some time to bloom. Senescence glaucum is very small, it didn't bloom this year. And this is Cliffs of Dover. And I still have a lot of flowers to go. This is Tuberosum, and it's really self-seeding, so I have to pull these heads quickly. You can see that these seeds are almost ready. They're white, so they need some time to be ready. This one is Millennium, and you can see it goes very quickly by hand. But I really like these, and I do this because I have many cultivars. If you have one cultivar, you can let it set seed and have your garden full with alliums, but I don't want that. And I have to go to the other side. So Angulosum is finished. Lavender bubbles, very nice. In Orbit also seems to finish up. And Millennium. The other issue, which is issue for me, not for a normal gardener, that these alliums are very susceptible to viruses. You don't see the symptoms just only on the leaves, but because I'm a virologist, I see the symptoms all the time. So these seed heads are done already. They've been pollinated, and I do this every week or so. But they're wonderful plants. Have a lot of flowers, very floriferous. The pollinators like them, and they have a lovely garlic smell. So if you're really stretched out, you can use the leaves because it smells garlicky. All alliums are edible, at least once. So, but I don't recommend ornamental plants eating, because they are treated sometimes with chemicals, and we normally don't eat ornamental plants. So eat plants which are intended for human consumption not for ornamental purposes. Okay, thank you for attention. Bye bye.